Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to subtract. Subtraction is about counting, and then counting, and then counting again. And I like to think of it as stealing. So here's how you read a subtraction question. This says 6 minus 3 equals. And what that means is that you have 6 things. Minus means, or subtract means what you're taking away. 3 is what you're taking away, and equals means what is the answer going to be when you do that. So let's figure that out. Let's start with 6. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 3, or minus 3. We're going to take away 3. Ready? Count again. 1, 2, 3. I took away 3. I'm going to put them to the side. And now count what you have left. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. And that's what you write down. That's how easy it is to subtract. Let's do another question. This question is 9 minus 4 equals. Or 9 subtract 4 equals. Equals is what we're trying to find out. So let's start with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I put them in a square pattern because I knew that 9 would make a square. And now we're going to take away 4. Minus 4, subtract 4, that means take away 4. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4. You put those aside, or you just take them away entirely. What do you have left? Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 subtract 4 is 5. Now, this works the same way when you do a bigger number. Let me show you. 14 minus 6 equals. So let's put down 14. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now you notice how I made a group of 10 here? Like there was a 10 frame there? That's because 14 is 1, 10, and 4. And I find it's easier to make sure that you put the 10s together and then whatever is left over separately, so you can make sure it's right. 1, 10, and 4, or 4 and 10, which is 14, is 1, 10 here and 4 here. Now let's take away 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put them to the side, and now count the third time what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. And you write that down. Now remember, because this was a 10 frame, I know that this is 5, so I didn't need to count all of these. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can just start right here and go 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Let's do another one. This says 23 minus 12 equals. That's going to take a lot of work to set up, but the process is the same as before. Remember, I'm going to use 10 frames to make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I have two groups of 10 here. There's a 10 here, and there's a 10 here. Two 10s and 3. There's the 3. 3 1s, two 10s. So now I have to take away 12. Now I could just count 12 starting from here, but I'm going to do something different. I know that 12 is 1 10 and 2. So I'm going to take away 1 10. Wow. And now I'm going to take away 2 more. I could take them away from here, but I'm going to take them away from here. Now it's really easy to count. Look, 10, 11. So I know the answer is 11. If you want to check and make sure, you can also count them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's why I didn't need to count these, because I knew when I finished counting them, I would be at 10. All right, let's do one more. 22 minus 14 equals. Let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And now because I organized them in 10s, I can check if I'm right. 1 10, 2 10s. Look, 2 10s. 2 1s. 2 1s. So I know I'm right. Now I'm going to take away 14. Again, I could just start counting here and count out 14, but I'm going to be a little smarter than that. I know that 14 is 1 10 and 4. So I'm going to take away this 1 10, and now I'm going to take away 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many this is. 1, 2, wait a moment. I know this is 5, so we can go 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Because look, it used to be 10, and then we took away 2. So 10, 9, 8. If 2 are missing. So the answer is 8. There you go. That is how to subtract. The only other thing I'm going to show you is how to do it with a number line. Let's take a look. All right, here's my number line, and here's my next subtraction question. This is 15 subtract 8 equals, or 15 minus 8 equals. So I'm going to start at 15 and take away 8. So look, here's how I do it. I start at 15, and now I'm going to go back 8 this way, because when I take 1 away, it goes to 14. And then when I take another away, it goes to 13. And take away another one, it goes to 12. Each time I take away 1, the number becomes 1 lower. So let's take away 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's my answer. What number is that? That's 7. So when you use a number line, you don't need to count 3 times. You only need to count once, because the 15 is already there. And then you subtract 8. You have to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you don't have to subtract there. You don't have to count there either, because we know that this is the number 7. Of course, if you didn't know or you didn't remember, you could just count up. Look, start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. There's the answer. Let's do a bit of an easier one to finish. So this is 12 minus 5 equals, or 12 subtract 5 equals. So we're going to start at 12 and take away 5. And when you're taking away, the number gets lower, because if I have 3 things and then I take one away, and someone takes one away, then I only have 2. So start at 12. There's 12. Then take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Oh, look at that. The answer again is 7. Another 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and also 12 minus 5 equals 7. That's how you read that. So, to review, when you are subtracting, let's say it's 5 minus 2 equals, you can either use objects and then take 5 of an object. You count the first time, then you count how many you're taking away, 1, 2, and then you count how many are left, 1, 2, 3, to get your answer. So that's the first way. The other way is to use a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a really small number line. You start at 5, you take away 2, 1, 2, and you get your answer, which is 3. So that is how you subtract. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy subtracting different things.